Hello, please take down the names of the hairs you would like to order and send the list to my WhatsApp number. We also sell wig and ventilating tools just in case you need them. Trainings are also available as well. See you in the next video. Hello everyone, welcome, and today I'm so glad to show you guys we have so many hairs here. You guys can see. You can see we have so many hairs here. We have synthetic but mostly fiber and human hairs. So I'll just be showing you guys all these hairs one after the other so you can see what it looks like, and then if you want to place your order you can go ahead and place your orders. Okay, so these hairs are really gorgeous. They're really beautiful, guys. I'm sure you'd like it. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and show you guys this hair. So guys, you can see this lovely full hair. This is very gorgeous. You can see what it looks like, and it feels really soft, very soft. So I decided to place the samples here for you guys to see. Guys, look at this. So I'll be writing the names of these on the screen for you guys to see the names, and then gradually place your orders. You can see this gorgeous lovely hair right here. So, oh my goodness, guys, look at this. These are all fiber hairs. Very lovely fiber hairs. Very lovely fiber hairs. These are fiber hairs, guys, and they are so soft, so soft, and they are so soft, guys. I think there's a deep wave. They're so beautiful. And look at this one. I just want you guys to see what they're like. So in case you need closures, frontals for any of this, we make closures and we make frontals as well. You can see our frontal. We make any length you want. We can make it for you. This is a full frontal we just made, so we can make it for you. Okay, so you want this is actually somebody ordered for this. This is a 3 by 6. You can see how deep the pattern is. This is very deep, and this is real human hair, so you can also order for that. Then look at this. This is a 613 color, and guys, just check out what we have here. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Just look at that. We also have this one here. This is lovely, guys. Look at this. Guys, look at this. Look at the bounce. Just look at the bounce from this. Now I'm just this is on that type of fiber hair. Okay, this is on that type of fiber hair. Okay, and this one is very affordable. You can use this for your bone straight. So this fiber hair, this does not curl no matter what you do to it. It goes back to its shape, you guys can see. So you can use this for your bone straight. Look at that. It still comes out looking gorgeous. Then we'll be moving to the real hairs. So these are the real hairs we have, guys. I was actually looking at this and I'm so tempted, I'm so tempted to take this. I love the kinky texture. Like, guys, look at this. This is too beautiful. And look at this, guys. This is so beautiful, guys. If you want, and these hairs are full. They are full. Some of them are 14 inches. Others are 12 inches. So they let us know the particular one you want. Guys, look at this. Man, the bounce on this one is not smiling at all. It's not smiling at all. So I'm just decided to just bring them out for you guys to see. Guys, look at this gorgeous wave. And look at this, guys. Oh my god. So you guys will be telling me, just dial the number, call the number on the screen. You can as well send me a WhatsApp, okay, to see to let me know the one you want. okay, and WhatsApp me or call me and I'll tell you the prices. I think the prices for the fiber is from 5,000 and above. Okay, and guys, you can see what's going on all over here. These are the ones I picked the samples from. Okay, these are the ones I picked the samples from, and over here we have some packet hairs. Oh, sorry, in case you're interested in buying edges, I have some edges right here, but that's not why I'm making this video. So you can see this lovely adorable hair. This is also available for sale. You can see that. So you can see the straight type as well. These are all available for sale. And you can see what we have here: wonder curl, romance curl, adorable. We have a whole lot of hairs here, guys. Have a whole lot. So just send me a message, or let's see what we have here. Let me just open this up so you can see what it's like. Man, I love the color. I love the color. This is beautiful, guys. I love this color. It's so beautiful and it's mature. It's mature, guys. So let's see what we have here. You can see this hair. This is adorable. Maybe I should just, I don't know if it will be easy to put it back. Okay, fine. Let me just leave it there. So I don't have to go through the stress of so we still have more straight hairs. More straight hairs over here. Look at these. Look at this. So someone already said I should use this and make a full lace for her. So if you want us to make a full lace, we make full lace as well. Do let us know. Just call the number and tell me what you want. So you can use any of these hairs. You can use any of these hairs to make full lace for you. Any of these hairs to make 360, and any of these hairs to make we can use any of these hairs to make 360. We can use any of these hairs to make full lace. We can use any of these hairs to make full frontal. Whatever you want, guys, just let us know. We also make wigs. If you want us to make wigs, you can see the pictures on the screen. I made those wigs, so do let us know as well. So that is it, and I hope you love the hairs as much as I do. And I've just been saying and them. If you want any of them, just let me know in the comment section. Like I said, we make closures, we make frontals, we make 360s, we make however you want it. If you want it to be 6 by any customized closure, 6 by 6, 7 by whatever you want it to be, like, just let me know, guys. And what else? So before you ask, please, we don't do payment on delivery. I think I've done a lot of business with a lot of people, so I'm not false. You can also check out my YouTube video, because I'll be dropping this video on YouTube as well. So check out my YouTube video. I'm not a scammer. Okay, so if you want to place for your order, that's the number on the screen. If you call any other number, that's not my business, but this number on the screen, that's my number. So call the number and place your order. You can also WhatsApp me on that same number and you would get your item. So we deliver everywhere around Nigeria, even a little bit outside the country. So wherever you are, we can send your item to you. So do have a wonderful day, and thanks for watching my video. Mwah.